Hi children, we'll see the 6th chapter division. Okay. In this chapter we are going to learn about concept of division, division by making equal groups, division by using multiplication tables, division by using a number line, relation between multiplication and division. Okay, this much we are going to learn. Okay children, we'll see one example. Okay. See, 12 pencils are to be distributed equally among 3 children. See, suppose I am having 12 pencils, okay, 12 pencils. See, I am going to give equally to 3 children, okay. How I will give? Come, we'll see. See here, Aditi gives 1 pencil to each one, okay. First, see, here Aditi is having 12 pencils, okay. She is going to give it to 3 of her friends, okay. See, what she will do first, she will give 1 pencil to each one and keep repeating this till no pencil is left, okay. First what she will do, she is having 12 pencils, so 3 friends are there, no. First she will give what? One pencil to what? 3 friends, okay. Like that she will continue that, okay. First one for three friends, she will give one pencil. After that again she will give one, again she will give one, again she will give one, okay. So 3, see, these all, see, suppose you consider this as one friend, second friend, third friend. She will give one pencil to one time, again one pencil, again one pencil. So how many pencils each will get? 4 pencils, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first friend will get 4 pencils, and the second friend will get 4 pencils, and the third friend also gets what? 4 pencils. Now Aditi is not having any pencil with her, okay. No more pencil is left with her, okay. So, but you may think that it will be very difficult, no, like this, how to divide the given pencils to the given numbers, okay. So what she did means, she had a different method. See, Rohan, Aditi's friend, he gave one idea, okay. See, using the table, okay, he divided the 12 pencils into 3, okay, into equally, okay. How? Like that he will tell the third table, okay. Yeah, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So 3 fours are 3 friends. If we give 4 pencils to each, that will make you 12 pencils. Like that, using the multiplication table, okay. The Rohan divided that pencils, 12 pencils, distributed the 12 pencils into Aditi's what? Friends, 3 friends equally, okay. In this way, okay, we can, this is the thing, nothing but what? Division is nothing but distributing the given thing equally among, okay. Distributing the given thing into equal groups. That is called division. Understood, children? What? Distributing the given what? Things into equal groups is called division, okay. Concept of division, okay. Come, we'll see one example. Ria has 10 chocolates. This is Ria. She is having 10 chocolates, okay. She wants to distribute them equally among her 5 friends, okay. She is having 5 friends. She wants to give to her friends those chocolates equally, okay. Not giving more to one friend, less chocolates to one friend, like that. She wants to distribute the chocolates which she is having equally, okay. How many chocolates will each one get, okay? How many chocolates will each one get? So how Ria distributed the chocolate? Come, we'll see that. We'll go to the next page, okay. See, first Ria gives 1 chocolate to each of her, okay. What she did, she took the chocolates and she gave 1 chocolate to each. She is having 5 friends, no, so 5 friends will get one chocolate each. So 1 into 5 friends will give you 1 5s of 5. So Ria gives away 5 chocolates. Now 5 chocolates are left with Ria. How? 10 minus 5 will give you 5, no, okay. Again she gives 1 chocolate to each of her 5 friends. Again 1 into 5 is 5. So now what? Ria is having what? 5 chocolates. So in that 5 she again what? She gives 1 chocolate to each means what? So again Ria gives away 5 chocolates means now no chocolates are left with Ria. So how many chocolates does each of our friends get now? 10 chocolates are divided into 5 groups of 2 each. So what? 10 chocolates which is Riya is having? No. Those will be distributed to her 5 friends like 2 chocolates each. Okay, 2 chocolates each. In this way, what? Riya distributed the chocolate equally among her 5 friends. Okay. Here the division, see here, this 10 chocolates is what? What divided into 5 groups. For 5 what friends, 2 chocolates each. Okay. Here the division fact. So what is this? Here what is the division fact? That is 10 divided by 5. That is 10 chocolates by 5 friends is equal to 2. Okay. So 10 is the dividend. Okay, dividend, and 5 is the, here we call 10 is the dividend, D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. Okay, not it is D-E-D. Okay, understood children? So make it corrected, D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D, and 5 is the divisor and 2 is the quotient. Okay, here 10 is the dividend, 5 is the divisor and 2 is the quotient. Okay, understood children? These are all the terms. Okay, division terms. Okay, what? These are all the division terms. Okay, division fact. Okay, understood children? This is the division fact. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Okay, understood children? Come and see one more example. Look here, Simran has 10 chocolates. She gave 2 chocolates to each of her friends. How many of her friends got chocolates? So how many of her friends? See, Simran has how many chocolates? 10 chocolates. Okay, she gave 2 chocolates to each of her friends. So how many, what is in the class, how many of her friends, Simran friend get chocolate, got, that we should find. Okay, first Simran gave 2 chocolates to one friend. See, Simran is having 10 chocolates. In that 2 chocolate to one friend means remaining chocolate 8. Okay, again 2 chocolate to one more friend means remaining chocolate 6. Again what? 2 more chocolate to one more friend means remaining chocolate 4. So how many? 1 friend over, 2 friend over, 3 friend over. Okay, come to next page. Again see 4 chocolates left with her. Okay, she gave 2 chocolates to one more friend. So 2 chocolates remains. Okay, and 2 more chocolate to one more friend means now what? Simran is not having any chocolates with her now. So how many friends? Yeah, 5 friends got chocolates. So Simran gave 5 what? Chocolates to 5 of her friends equally. Okay, so here the division fact is 10 divided by 2. 10 chocolates she is having. 2 chocolates she gave to one friend. So how many chocolates? How many friends she gave? What? She gave the chocolates to how many of her friends? 5 friends. Okay, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Here also 10 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor and 5 is the quotient. Okay, understood children? This is about the what? Division. Here this is the division fact. Okay. See here children, see, I am having how many? See here, sketch pens, color pens here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 color pens are there with me. Okay, how many? 10. Okay, I am going to give 2 color pens to one of my student. Okay, 2 color pens to one of my student. Again, I took 2 to one more student and give it to one more student. Okay, and I give what? 2 more to one more student. Okay, and 2 more to one more student and 2 more to one more student. Like that, I distributed these sketch pens 2 to 1 student. Okay, like that. Okay, see here. So 1, 2, total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 what? Color pens. If I divided what? Equally grouped into 2 means how many student I can give the color pens? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can give the color pens to 5 of my students. 5 students. Okay, understood children? So here 10 divided by 2. Okay, 10 color pens. Okay, divided by 2. 2 each means how many students I can give the color pens which I am having? What? 5 students. To 5 students I can give these color pens. Okay, See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Okay, understood children? 10 divided by 2, like that. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So how many students, I can give the color pens to how many students? 5 students. Like this is one student, for one student, for one student and one student. Understood children? This is nothing but the division fact. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Okay, if I distribute the colors to 2, okay, if I am having 10 color pens and I am dividing distributing 2 pens to one student means I can give it to 5 students. Understood children?